sweethearts. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Have I got a treat for you? We are doing a double header today. We're going to do 2-in-1 hairstyles today. I hope you guys stay and watch. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, you guys, my hair has been washed and conditioned. I did twist it up as after I finished washing and conditioning it, because it makes your hair easier to comb through when you twist it out as soon as it comes out. So I'll show you guys that video next time. Okay, sweethearts, pay attention to the braid pattern. This is going to last for a long time. I'm going to put a braid in the back, under it. I don't know if you can secure your crochets better when you have a braid right in the back. Remember, you do not have to have braids with crochets, because some people do not know how to braid. So you can just put your hair in a ponytail, you can twist it out, you just don't need to braid. Sweethearts, make sure you're watching closely on how I am braiding this pattern up. I'm going to show you this pattern so you'll know how to do a pattern in the future, because this pattern is perfect for crochets and other hairstyles. As you can see, for the closure, I'm going to braid one right in the middle, and then I'm going to add the hair, one of the braids, to the braid that I am braiding down, and then I'm going to do that with the other side as well. We're just going to go ahead and crochet that little piece in there just so it can stay out the way. You guys, as you know, Shining Jam Magic Fingers is my best friend. I use it for all braids, twist, whatever. So I'm going to braid 2 pieces on each side of my hair. So one on my right side and then one on my left. Remember, sweethearts, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below, so don't be afraid to check that out. Okay, sweethearts, make sure you're soaking your rubber bands, because rubber bands do break your hair off if you don't soak them. So I prefer you to soak them in some type of oil or grease or something like that. Okay, sweethearts, I do tend to put the edge control on my edges as I'm doing my hair, because I am going to be using it throughout the week. I did grease my hair to the T before I even started this, but you can grease your hair as you're going to, just for more moisture and texture. I am doing the crisscross method, so I'm just going to put a rubber band on. I'm going to twist the hair just so it'll look nice and neat when it goes in, or just I want that twist look as it's going in the other rubber band, and just tie that onto that and then do the other side as well. Okay, sweethearts, you already know I do not like tight hairstyles, especially in the front of your hair, because I love my edges and I like to keep them. As you could have seen my fingers moving, I'm moving the hair out of tight zone, because I do not want the hair to be too tight on my edges. Okay, sweethearts, I am cleaning out my closet, so this hair is water wave, just period. Any type of water wave will do, free tress, Amazon, this is what I'm using. I'm just going to fan the hair out, do a twist out on each one, and we're going to go from there. Sweethearts, what I loved about this hairstyle and how neat it was. Everything was neat. It came together perfectly. I really, really hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle. Sweethearts, I'm just going to twist those twists up into a Bantu knot, 4 of them. Okay, for the crochet part, I am using free tress braid. Found this hair in my closet as well. Okay, sweethearts, I do shampoo my crochet hair just so you can get the smell off, You know, you don't want your hair, the hair itching on your neck all the time. If you shampoo it, you're kind of cleaning it. So that's what I prefer. Since the hair is kind of long, you only need to tie it one time. You don't need to tie it 3 to 4 times. I think it will stay when you tie it just one time. I do want to let you guys know that this is not a protective style. The only where this is a protective style is only in the back. Why? Because there's no rubber bands in the back. If you put rubber bands on your hair is breaking off slowly, regardless if you soak them or not. Yes, the rubber bands are there to prevent, you know, when you soak them, they're there to prevent the rubber bands from breaking your hair off. But it depends on how long you keep the rubber bands in. If you keep them in for so long, then when you finally take them out, your hair is wrapped around those rubber bands. And you're going to pull them out regardless of what you do. So just be careful, you guys. That's all I'm telling you. You guys know I love crochet. I decided to do this style again, crochet style. I did another style just like this, but that one was clip-ins. But I enjoy this one a little more than I enjoyed the other one. Shape up your hair. Make sure you cut it to your desired length, and make sure you do not cut your real hair on the side. Yeah, I know I have to put my hair jewelry in. I'm going to put some beads in on the side. I don't have one of those bead, those bead little thingies that, you put your beads in. Easy breed, I guess. And I don't have one. So I am using this crochet needle. Hey, it works perfectly. So if you don't have one, then use your crochet needle. It works just as fine. So I am using the 24-hour edge control on my edges this time. All right, it's edge slaying time. You guys know that I am not a good edge slayer, but hey, I'll be trying. And this is the finished touches, sweethearts. Look at it. It's cute. Hey, this is going to last for a minute. Everything looks nice and neat. I really hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle, and stay tuned for the next one. What I mean by the 2-in-1 is you're just going to take out the bantu knots and you're going to take the beads out. We're going to add to this hairstyle, you know, because it is a 2-in-1. You want to be able to do different multiple hairstyles with a hairstyle, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this as well. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, sweetheart, and join the family. Can't wait to hear from you. What I like about this one is you can actually see the crisscross more than you can see it on the other one. So you guys, what do you think? I love it. Loving it. An easy, nice crochet crisscross hairstyle. You guys, please let me know down below how you feel. I love you even if I don't know you. I'll talk to you guys next time.